Welcome to Lovely Hairstyles. Today I am making a Juda bun hairstyle. Here first we need to make a low ponytail and a medium ponytail. I am making a rope braid with the low ponytail. And elastic it at the end. Twist the braid around the base of the ponytail and pin it in place. Twist the ponytail and is secured with the bobby pin. The ponytail at the other side has to be elastic again by making a gap between. Here the gap is created and I am pulling it back to increase its length, and flip the ponytail up and pass it through the gap. And then it is loosened to look voluminous. The hair is loosening to look voluminous. And move it above the bun which is already made. Move it above the bun and secure there with the help of bobby pin. The remaining ponytail also has to be rope braid. It is making a rope braid, and at the end it is secured with the help of elastic. It is secured with elastic. Tied there, and then it is twirled around the bun which is already made. Twirled around the bun, and again by using bobby pins it has to be well secured. So you can decorate it with hair decorative accessories also. You can make it yourself for small parties and also as regular use. As regular wear also you can make it. For parties you can decorate it with the hair accessories. It looks so beautiful.